welcome to the warm-up. We're going to start with shoulder rolls here. So big shoulder rolls to warm up the shoulders. And as you can see, you can do these exercises both in standing or in sitting. And we're going to make this movement a bit bigger, so we're going to include the elbows now, so make the circles bigger. That's it, and you might hear joints creaking and so on, but as long as you're not experiencing any pain, that's fine. So let's go back to shoulder rolls. We're going to do 2 of them, and then a reach up to the sky. Good, and a couple of shoulder rolls, and a reach up to the sky. Shoulder rolls, and just reach as high as you can, whatever is the right level for you. We're going to do 1 more, and then we're going to have a little bit of marching here. And as you can see, you can do the marching sitting down as well. And I'm swinging my arms here to get everything going, both arms and legs. Now in a minute we're going to do some warm-up exercises for the back. If you'd rather not do that, you can stick with the marching. But I'm going to move on to some side bends here, where I'm going to slide down the side, and it's as if I'm sliding my finger down the side seam of my trousers, so I'm not leaning forward and I'm not leaning back. And just notice, you may feel a stretch down the side as you're stretching down here. We're not after pain. You may feel a stretch or pulling, that's fine. But if you're feeling pain, then make the exercise smaller. Lovely, and 1 more each side. We're now going to do some rotation or twisting, so I'm going to bend my knees as if I'm almost sitting down, and then cross my arms across my chest and twist round. So if you're standing up doing this, pretend that you've got headlights on your hips, and those headlights have to keep pointing forward, so it's just the upper body moving. And again, you might feel a bit of a stretch when you get towards the end of the movement. And we'll do 1 more each side. And now you get to slouch. We're going to round the back, look down, and then open up. And then round again, and open up and lift your chest to the sky. Round, lift your chest up, round, chest up, and last bit of rounding, and chest up. And now turn of the hips. So we are going to wiggle from side to side, and as you'll see, Sophie-Ann is doing it sitting down, so you can lift 1 buttock off the chair at a time. That's it. Okay, and we're going to move into the big muscles of the legs. We're going to do a little squat. So I'm going to do squat and stand up, and Sophie-Ann can straighten 1 leg at a time. That's it. Yeah. And 2 more. We're then going to move on to heel taps. So that's a heel forward and the heel forward. That's it. And that can even be with your arms if you want to. So just a light tap. So we're getting through the joints of the body here, warming everything up, joints and muscles. Let's do 4 more. And the last one. Well done. We'll do the same thing to the side. Now we're going to tap to the side and tap to the side. That's it. And if you'd like a higher intensity, you can use your arms as well here. So just dipping your toe out to the side, keeping your weight on that standing leg. I'm going to do 4 more. And come back to marching on the spot. Now you can choose to go on to any of our other exercise videos or choose to end your session here for today.